everyone, it is Theme Thursday, and this week's theme is things that fly or birds. And I've got 6 babies to show you today. 2 of them are laying right here in your view. You already saw Elizabeth. She got dressed in this outfit earlier in the week, and she has a cute little duck on her little overalls, and looks like the duck is thinking about eating that worm there. And Enid, I tried on one of these little preemie outfits that Shelly was so kind to send, and it looks like that fits her pretty well. But it doesn't have any birds on it or anything like that, but her little bonnet does. Let me show you. There's cute little baby chicks on there. And she just looks super cute. But they're purple. Matches the same purple as in here. And then the little flowers match the flowers that are on there. So I was like, oh, it looks like it was almost made for it. But the actual it's like a kitty instead of the duck. So I don't think they were meant for each other, but it coordinates, right? So yeah, there's those 2. And Mr. Jonathan, you already saw him, but I'm showing him again because he has a bird on his little shirt. And I did manage to get a pair of pants on him right now. Move Charlotte here a second so you can see little pants. So he looks cute. And Charlotte is wearing an outfit that also came from Shelly. And if you look real close, there's a little bird right there. And there's a couple all over, along with the bunnies and the little deer. So it's just super cute. And there we go with that lighting again. I don't know what we're going to do about that. Oh no, I'm coming over here to where it gets weird. These 2 are in, Jessie has a little penguin on as well. And Jacob is wearing things that fly. So his little, oh, I can't talk. His little jacket says hero, and then inside they're little superheroes, and superheroes fly. So they are little, there's a dog and a monkey, and maybe that's a bear. I'm not sure. There's a bunch of animals on there. Off to save the world, it says. So little superheroes fly. So yeah, and I was going to get some more babies ready, and I just ran out of time, you know. It's kind of the way it goes sometimes. But Matilda should reach her new home on, well, actually tonight. She should reach her new home at 8 p.m. today. So, or this evening. So, yeah, I'll be keeping an eye out on the tracking number and looking for that. And also today marks week 2 of since I had my interview. So I'm hopeful that I hear from them soon. They were supposed to contact me within 2 to 3 weeks. So they may contact me. Then again, they may not. It just depends. So I will let you know when I find out. I was kind of offline on Tuesday. I woke up with a terrible headache, migraine, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Sometimes I get pain in my head and I don't really know what to call it. If it's actual migraine or if it's just a really bad headache. Because sometimes I don't get the same symptoms every time. So it's hard to tell what it is. But regardless, I had pain, and I ended up not going to work, and I basically spent all day, most of the day, trying to get myself back to some sort of normal. And a lot of times when I have those, I end up getting like aftershocks from them too. So it's not just the pain, and then once the pain subsides, I have to go through a period of feeling completely like wiped out, or I feel, just icky. So I don't know how to explain that, but that's a lot of times how I feel when I have headaches or migraines. Either one sometimes. I never have like normal head pain. It's always like, it always seems to go the extreme way, and then it gets really bad. So anyway, I was off work and I was offline too, so I did not get a chance to watch videos or anything. I was able to publish one, but that was only because I had it ready and it was scheduled to go. So that was the saying goodbye to Matilda. But yeah, so she's definitely en route, and hopefully making her way to her home. But yeah, I hope you liked all the babies, or the ones I showed you at least. Sorry I didn't get more done. I wanted to do, I think I had like several outfits picked out, and they're sitting here. Well, you know what? I'll show you the outfits. Here's like a little seagull thing, and it was part of this outfit set. The little birds all over it. So that was going to go on somebody. And here's one with planes on it that I was going to put on somebody. And this one I thought was cool, and I'm bummed I didn't get it done. I love this outfit. It's got dragons, and the dragons have wings, so they fly. And I didn't get around to it. And then I have this cute little outfit with the plane too. I think I had more. I had other outfits set out too. These are the ones that are like right here. Let me see. Oh yeah, I have this one. It's a Carter's outfit. It has a little bird, and then the pants like look really close. You can see little birds within the pattern of the flowers. So yeah, that was going to go on someone. And then I had an owl outfit too. What did I do with that? Oh jeez, guys, I don't know. You have to wonder about me. Oh yeah, Matilda wore this a long time ago. It's like this polka dot shirt. Oops. Long sleeved, like a onesie. And then the corduroy jumper. It's a little skirt, but there's an owl there. So yeah, I had all kinds of plans, and my plans got foiled because of my silly headache and stuff. So bummed about that. But hey, I got 6 of them ready. That's good. Sometimes I only have 1 ready, so I guess I'm doing pretty good. Oh, there's little birds on my little hanging thing up there. So there's something too that I always have up there. It's not anything that I did for Theme Thursday. But yeah, so I hope lots of you do better than me and get more babies ready. But if you don't have time, we can all relate to that, I think. Trying to get ready for these things. But yeah, I look forward to seeing more babies with birds or things that fly. Yeah, thank you all for watching and hanging out. Oh, and I forgot to say, another exciting thing happened. I think it was this week. I hit over 1,000 subscribers. So I wanted to personally thank all of you for helping that happen. I'm so stoked about that. A friend of mine brought it to my attention, and I was kind of watching it, and I was thinking, oh man, I'm getting close. And I actually got it. I think the last time I looked, I have like 1,007 subscribers. So welcome all the new people, and thank you all that have been with me for the long run too. I'm really happy to have you all here, and hope you stick around, because I'm gonna do something special. I just need to think about it a little bit, and I didn't have time to think about it. So, and it's going to be solely just for subscribers. So I'm going to do like a secret type thing so that it's not going to be in the description or anything. It'll be embedded within a video. Once I figure out what that is, it'll be aired on a video, and it could be a random anything. Or it could be a theme Thursday. It could be anything. So be on the lookout, I guess, for the time being. Pay attention to my videos. So you'll probably be asked to do some things, and you'll definitely have to be a subscriber to participate, but it'll be some kind of giveaway or something like that. So I'll see what I can get done and figure that out. So, all right, everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and look forward to the weekend coming up. I am off on Friday. It's a planned day off. My husband and I are going to be working on our room. We're trying desperately to at least get it painted over the weekend. I don't know if we'll manage that or not. It just depends on how things go. He's in the middle of mudding the room and sanding it. And then once he's done with all that, we have to like basically scrub it all down and get all the dust away. And then he can paint. So, well, I'll be painting too, not just him. He likes me to cut in because I'm really good at fine details and those hard to reach, you know, lines and stuff. Like I don't need an edger or anything whenever I paint. I can just do it freehand, and I don't get anything on the other wall. Like, does that make sense? Here, let me show you. Like, this might be a bad example, but whenever I'm edging, I can do it. This is a bad example, but I can do it without getting the paint on the wall. Like, I can do it freehand without taping or anything. And that's just something I'm able to do. I don't know. I guess because I paint a lot and I do a lot of things like that, so I'm more conditioned for it. It's not that I have special abilities or anything. It's just that I think I just do it because I paint a lot. And I paint small characters, and I paint little tiny intricate details and stuff on a lot of things. And I draw too, so it's like I just have a steady hand, basically, for painting that kind of stuff. So yeah, he likes me to always cut in and do the fine work, because he's like, you do it so nice. So we compliment one another. He gets it done pretty fast, and he does a good job at the rest of it, but I do the stuff that takes the longest, I think. So anyway, but yeah, that's what we're planning to do, and I'll just step back so they're all in the frame here. And then yeah, so my weekend's going to be full between that and running Callie to work, and who knows what Goldie's doing. That girl, she's probably got something up her sleeve, I'm sure. She probably wants to go see a friend or something like that. But, so I might be running her somewhere too. So, a mom's job is never done, right? Okay, this time I'm going for real. Thank you so much, everyone, again, for getting me up to the 1,000 subscribers. I know that's like a milestone for people to hit on their channels, and I'm excited that I finally got that. I finally reached that milestone, and yeah, hope it continues to grow. But I enjoy and appreciate each and every one of you that are here, and hopefully you all stick around. Alright, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy Theme Thursday. get out those birds and those things that fly on your babies. Alright guys, have a wonderful one. Take care, and give me a thumbs up if you would, please. And share the video. And subscribe. Help that number go up a little bit. Alright guys, thank you so much, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.